In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can name your organization here in GTA 5 Online. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now to start, what you're going to want to do is actually open up your interaction menu and scroll down to the option that says register as a boss and select it. Now you can register as either a CEO or a motorcycle club president. Both work the exact same way. But essentially, once you go ahead and register as a CEO, go ahead and open up that interaction menu again and select the role you registered at. So I use securoserv CEO, select that, and then from here, go specifically into the management tab. And from here, you can actually change your organization name. Keep in mind, changing your organization name does cost $50,000 in GTA Online. So make sure you're happy with the name that you choose. Just go ahead and click on the name, type in whatever one you want. And once you do that, your organization name will be updated instantly and the $50,000 will be deducted. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.